Colorful trucks. Let's see what's inside. Red truck. What's inside? It's red. What is it? Fire truck. Blue truck. What's inside? It has lights. What is it? Police car. Green truck. What's inside? It helps sick people. What is it? Ambulance. Orange truck. What's inside? It is big. What is it? Bus. Yellow truck. What's inside? It can dig a big hole. What is it? Excavator. Pink truck. What's inside? It pulls cars. What is it? Tow truck. Purple truck. What's inside? It flies. What is it? Airplane. Good job. Let's say it again. Fire truck. Fire truck. Police car. Police car. Ambulance. Ambulance. Bus. Bus. Excavator. Excavator. Tow truck. Tow truck. Airplane. Airplane. Good job. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.